This isn't my norm, but I wanted to make a video because I am part of an amazing community that we're having a little bit of a challenge. And I think this challenge is really, really good. I have to create 5 videos and you have to see my face. I don't think you have to talk, but the purpose of this is a lot of people do not start this business because they are afraid to say something, or they are afraid of failure, or maybe they don't like seeing their face on video. I'm here to let you know I used to be that girl. I started this business a minute ago, and no, not really, about a year ago, seriously. And I was that girl. I was afraid to show my face. I was afraid of failure. I was afraid of what people were going to say. Guys, I'm not the best at these videos. I do make mistakes. I now learn when I make those mistakes, I'm just posting the damn video, right? Because we are all unique, we are all specials, and we have qualities that other people are going to be attracted to. So I just show up. I just do it, I show up, and I hope that I can eventually, in the end, help somebody, because my goal is to help any 9-to-5er, whether you're in healthcare, whether you're in a corporate job, or just in any type of job that you just are ready for a change. I help those people build a business online as a digital marketer, and if I can do it, you can do it. So guys, save this video, like this video, share this video, and help me out on this challenge. Give me some heart. Smack that heart, guys.